We're here at the north end of the Barracks Trail, in between, well, just outside of Mount Carmel, Utah, and just north of Kanab. We've come down here to spend some time in Kanab and explore. And just on the north end of the Barracks Trail is the belly of the dragon, just a passage through the mountain, and we're going to go check it out. Easy hike, right off the highway. Any type of vehicle could get here and do it. At the north end of the Barracks Trail is a tunnel called Belly of the Dragon. As you can see here, people have etched their marks into the side of the wall, and it seems like a pretty neat place. The kids are having a good time exploring.
Well, balance! We need to balance! Sunny boy? Yeah, I'm funny. I'm stuck.
Okay, so we're driving down the Barracks Trail here, and it's kind of an overland route. It's not really rock crawling or extreme off-road. I know there is a big sand hill. I saw that they advise going north to south so that you go down the sand hill. Seeing that we travel alone a lot, I try to take those precautions, but also I think the Jeep is outfitted properly, that if I understood incorrectly, I think we'll do okay going up the big sand hill. Now the Barracks Trail goes through private property, but it is a public road, and so they just ask that you respect that both sides of the road is private property and stay on the main road. And as always, that's what we'll do. Now what makes this trail neat is it goes back and forth over the Virgin River multiple times. We've done it once, and splashed water all over the Jeep. It was great. So that's all for now. So far I'd say the trail's been a success. Everyone's had a lot of fun splashing through all the water, and Jeep got pretty dirty. We're getting I am a little bit concerned about getting water up into the air box. I don't know if that's a valid concern or not, but it sure would be a heck of an ordeal to be out here and be stranded because the Jeep won't run anymore with water in the intake. So we might tone it down a little bit, splashing that water through there, but you're gonna have to get a car wash after this, that's for sure. Well, as it turns out, wrong again. This is the sand hill, and we've got to go up it. So, that's what we're looking at back there. Luke's going to go ahead and run up it by himself. Seems like a lot of work. We'll take the Jeep up, and Levi's going to be the cameraman. So we'll see how we do. We'll try the steep line first, and I'm guessing we won't have luck at that, but we'll try it. Well, I guess this will be the end of the trail for us. I definitely aren't going to make it up this sand hill. I got a couple side-by-sides trying to do it right now. I don't think they're going to make it either. But as far as the rest of the trail goes, from what I can tell, I wouldn't bring your soccer mom type SUV out here for sure. Obviously, we can't make it, not without a turbo. That might help. Up this hill, but the rest of the trail that we did, I would say like a Tacoma or maybe like a Nissan Xterra, something that's actually marketed for off-road use. That might have a better chance than at making it up, or as far as we did. Otherwise, definitely need to run the trail south to north to avoid this sand hill. You'll come down it instead of trying to go up it. And I guess that's the name of the game. That's part of the adventure. And get out, have your own adventure, and enjoy the land of the free.